Have a diverse skill set but not sure how to display it all effectively? In this video, I'll show you how to strategically showcase your skills across your entire Fiverr profile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your profile is your professional canvas, and every element should work together to highlight what you do best. Your profile title and bio are prime real estate. Use them to state your core specializations clearly and compellingly. The skills section allows you to tag up to 5 key competencies. Choose the most relevant and popular skills that buyers are searching for. Be specific. Your gig portfolio and gallery are where you prove those skills. Attach work samples that directly demonstrate each major skill you claim to have. A crucial pro tip: don't be a generalist. Create specialized gigs for each of your main skill sets. A video editor profile with gigs for YouTube intros, podcast editing, and social media clips showcases depth better than one generic "I edit videos" gig. And just like that, you've transformed your profile into a targeted display of your expertise. Showcasing your skills effectively makes you easily discoverable by the right clients. Do you have one core skill or multiple specialized ones? How do you balance them? Let me know below. For the ultimate goal, subscribe for our next video on how to build reputation on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.